A quick one on this. The second term of a geometric progression is 9. If the fourth term is 81, we have to find the common ratio. This is WASSCE 2024 September edition. I bet you can solve this within a minute or two. Let's recall that the nth term of a geometric sequence is given by this, where the n stands for number of terms, the a for the first term, r for what? The common ratio. So if I'm talking about the second term, it means when n is 2, your second term will become a, r, n being 2 minus 1 will be 1. So this second term is what we are getting as what? Our 9. Then, when n is now 4, the fourth term, your fourth term will become a, r, n being 4 minus 1, give you 3. This is giving us what? 81. So that's giving us what? The second equation. So now we solve the two equations simultaneously. Since a and r are multiplied, we divide. So I'll be having equation 2 divided by what? Equation 1. That simply means ar exponent 3 equals to 81 divided by the ar, this divided by what? 9. So a divided by a will cancel. R cubed divided by r, it means we can use the laws of indices, as in if I have a exponent m divided by a exponent m, become a m minus what? N. So this is what? The a is gone. R exponent 3, r exponent 1. So 3 minus 1, that will give you 2. So r squared, 81 divided by 9 will give us what? 9. We find the root of r squared, the root of 9, and that will be giving us our r equals to what? 3. Even though it will be both plus and minus, we are concerned about the positive one, which is going to give us the option what? D as our preferred what? Answer. I guess this is clear. Don't forget to check the full tutorial on geometric what? Progression. Both the AP and the GP on the Facebook, or you can also try that on the playlist on YouTube. You get all the tutorials on this topic, which will enable you to solve more questions on this. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.